There are many reasons why a computer won't turn on. Here are some steps you can take to solve this problem. Make sure that the computer is plugged in and that the power strip is turned on and working. If, for example, the computer is plugged into the same power strip as a monitor, make sure the monitor powers on. You should also plug the computer into a different outlet on the power strip. If that doesn't work, try a different power strip. If that doesn't work, try a different power cable. If the computer is a laptop, unplug the power cord. Remove the computer's battery. If you don't know how to take out the battery, Google the brand and model plus the phrase "remove battery." Hold down the power button for 30 seconds. Plug the laptop back in without replacing the battery. If the computer comes on, shut it back off, replace the battery, and start it again. If the computer does not turn on after you replace the battery, you may have a battery-related problem. See the battery troubleshooting clip for more information. If you still can't get the computer to turn on, Google the brand and model name plus the phrase "won't turn on." Often, other people on the internet have shared how they solved the same problem.